A memorandum of agreement is signed between Numaligarh Refinery Limited and National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Guwahati for research collaboration to develop pathways and processes for the production of API from petroleum and biomass-derived products. The Public Enterprises Selection Board has shortlisted 10 candidates for the prestigious role of Chairman and Managing Director of Steel Authority of India Limited. Interviews are scheduled for March 28, 2026, marking the final stage of the selection process for one of India's most significant public sector leadership positions in the steel industry. In a significant move to ease India's worst LPG shortage in decades, Indian Oil Corporation (IOCL) has purchased liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) directly from Iran for the first time since June 2018, nearly 8 years later. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, India's leading engineering and manufacturing public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Heavy Industries, has announced a significant change in its senior management effective March 25, 2026. Bharat Dynamics Limited, a premier Government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Defence, has successfully completed the first of-production model of its advanced Akash weapon system, marking a significant milestone in India's defence capabilities. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited (MCL) is setting a benchmark in environmental stewardship by transforming mining landscapes into lush green ecosystems through extensive afforestation and innovative Miyawaki plantation techniques. The Reserve Bank of India has approved the voluntary amalgamation of the Bapunagar Mahila Cooperative Bank Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, with Sri Vinayak Sahakari Bank Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, under the provisions of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. NTPC Limited, in collaboration with the Central Electricity Authority (CEA), organized a regional workshop on CEA regulations aimed at enhancing the safety, reliability, and efficiency of India's power sector. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Angul District Administration to enhance civic infrastructure in Dhoragatha village. Under its Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative, MCL will fund 76 lakh rupees for the construction of 13 cement concrete roads. NTPC Limited receives BB rating from MSCI ESG Ratings, reflecting enhanced sustainability, governance, and climate responsibility. Second ESG upgrade in FY 2025-26.